Palestinians protest in support for hunger strikers. Turkey wants to be in solidarity with Russia on defense. Iran courts jails two for spying for Israel. Iran says Rouhani-Trump meeting unimaginable. Shia group threatens to target US forces in Iraq. Iraq condemns attack on Hashd al-Shabi. Northwest Syria move does not violate any agreement, Moscow. Iraq won't allow country to turn into conflict zone. Yemeni government forces fully control Shabwa province. 5 migrants killed, 65 others rescued off Libyan coast. EU calls for political solution on Kashmir. Pakistan thanks Erdogan for his support on Kashmir.